On episode 3 of 50 Desserts from 50 States, we're going to be making the official cookie of Connecticut, Snickerdoodles. It's one of our favorite cookies in this house. I tried a few different recipes and they were just lacking something, but luckily my friend Rebecca has a really good Snickerdoodle recipe and she was willing to share it with us. The only change she has is instead of using all butter, she uses half butter and half butter flavored Crisco. It's a small change, but it makes all the difference. If you like the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, links and information are in the description below. First thing we're gonna do is cream together the butter and the butter flavored Crisco. Half a cup of butter, half a cup butter flavored Crisco. Now you're gonna cream those together. Once you do that, I always clean off my paddle and scrape down the sides of the bowl before I go on to add the sugar. 1.5 cups of sugar. Mix that in. 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 eggs. Mix till combined. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and scrape everything down off the paddle and off the bowl and mix it again. Now we're gonna add in all the dry ingredients. 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix until just combined. Going to, again, scrape everything down and then give it one last mix. Now we're gonna make our cinnamon sugar mixture to roll the cookies in. 4 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix them together. I'm gonna be using a 2 tablespoon scoop for the cookies, and then we're gonna roll them in cinnamon sugar and put them on our cookie sheet. I like to put parchment paper on my cookie sheet. You don't have to, but I find it makes the cookies come off the tray easier and not stick. You wanna give it a little roll, and then put it in your cinnamon sugar and roll it around. You wanna cover all the sides and set it on your sheet. We're gonna bake them at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven. When they're done, remove them and put them on the cooling rack. If you leave them on the tray, they're gonna keep baking and you run the risk of them becoming hard, and we don't want that. We want them to stay nice and soft. Do you agree with my pick for Connecticut? If not, let me know what you think it should have been in the comments. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.